Nubian princess, welcome to my channel. I know I look a hot mess. I have been so sick and I finally feel better. And so today is June 19th and it is 9 days after I did my lock extensions. And so definitely loving it. But my scalp has been itching, so I want to oil my scalp. So that's what I'm gonna do. I need to buy some more of these. So this is what my hair is looking like. I'm gonna turn around so that way you can see it. Hopefully you guys can see it. Hopefully you can see it. So now what I'm gonna do is oil my scalp. Ooh, guys, let me see if I can turn around. Oh, that feels so good. Now the oil that I'm using is the oil that she gave me. So this is the oil. It's supposed to be like a growth oil. I'm just gonna put it on my actual scalp. There's a mirror behind this camera, so excuse the mess. Excuse me if I look cockeyed. I don't want to finish the oil. I should have bought more than one. Should have bought more than one oil, but I didn't. So you don't want to put the oil on the lock. You want to put it on your actual scalp. So that's what I'm doing. Trying to. Y'all, right here is the part that itches. Right here. So I'm gonna make sure I get the oil in there. Ooh, that feels so good. That feels so good, guys. I think I got enough oil in there. I think we're good. I think we are good. I think we are good. I know the locks look crazy right now, but that's because it is still brand new. So all right. Let me see if I can turn around so you can see the back. I think I have oiled everything. Okay. All right, guys. Now that I've oiled my scalp, this is what my locks are looking like. This is what my locks are looking like. I just oiled my scalp, so that's why it looks like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it back up in my updo. I'm gonna put it back up in my updo hairstyle. It is hot. I gotta turn on the AC. Okay, and I am done. I am done, guys. I am done. So, this is what we got going on. I know, I look crazy, but I don't care. I want my hair to lock, and I don't want it to fall out, so I want to put it in an updo, and it's not tight. Let me loosen it up. There we go. Alrighty. So, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching me. Thank you guys for watching me oil my scalp. Stay tuned for more. Bye.